Yeah, so this is one of the parts, that. Hello. So today eventually I had to, bring out or harvest the whole um ogo fruits, and this is the harvest. These are the ones that matured, 5 of them. This one's matured, and I'm so happy, so grateful to God. I think I know that eventually when I cut this open, this is going to be matured. So we are having some good seeds this year. So if you are ready to plant your ugu, give me a call or send me a text. Let me know how many seeds that you need, so that I will start preparing, to send it out. Okay. See you. I just wanted to show everybody that we have harvested the ugu seeds, and this is the bounty harvest that we did. I thank you for following me all this while to see the progress made by this ugu garden. I thank you. I thank every one of you. Thank you. Remain blessed. Bye bye. 5 different big pots of ugu. I did cut open one of them. Yeah, I want to cut this pot open today and see if we did get matured ugu. So I'm going to just remove a part of the opening, so yeah. Oh wow, look at it. I think it is matured because it's yellow. So I'm going to open this and bring out, yeah. Oh wow, we have matured ugu here. Wow, look at the pod. Yeah, it is matured. Yeah. Oh wow, thanks be to God. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Wow. Yeah, so this particular pod is matured. It has beautiful seeds. Okay, so I'm going to, now that I opened it, I'm going to leave it for a little while so that this pulp will soften. And then, but you know what? I'm going to plant this tree that I just brought out. I'm going to go ahead and plant it and see how it's going to be. Wow, thanks be to God. So this, I brought out a couple of the seeds. I brought out 5. You see that this is really matured and ready to be planted. You can see that it's even getting ready. It has, this tip is already broken. So I'm going to plant this 5 and see how it grows. Okay, thank you. Of ugu, I did cut open one of them, last week. This is it. I planted 5 seeds already. This is the seed. It's matured. You see how yellow it is. Okay. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.